ओके गाइस, सो हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट लिब्रा पे पहला प्रोजेक्ट बनाने जा रहा हूँ ये मैं ऑलरेडी एक बना चुका हूँ, बट लेट्स स्टार्ट इट विद अगेन। ये मेरे पास यहाँ पे मेरे पास फाइल है प्रोजेक्ट 1 की, जो हम लोग दोबारा से बनाऊँगा मैं। ठीक है, तो ये हमारी डिस्क्रिप्शन है प्रोजेक्ट 1 की। द डिटेल्स आर लिस्टेड ऑन द पेज एंड दिस इज़ द details which we have to put in our Gantt chart. Okay, so here I'll take another new one. Here you have to click project 2 or project 1.1. Manager is like John, and the time like you can start with 16th of March, so you can take this one. Okay, the new one. Okay, now it will open like this. You can make a little bit space. Okay, so here we have many things like name, duration, start, finish, and producer. So in our file there is description, that is means that's the name, that's the activity. The second thing is producers, so that is none, A, B, C, and D. So that is the stages, right? When we are going for activity, one activity, how many producers need that? So there is A, B, or C, D, like this. So what we take, instead of A, we take 1 for A, 2 for B, 3 for C, 4 for D, like this. And this is the time duration. So 2 days, 4 days, 3 days, 5 days, or 3 days. So we will start with the, so we don't need to add these IDs because it's already have 1, 2, 3, 4 when we start. So first one is survey site. What was the duration for survey site? That is 2 days. Time 2 days. So we will put here, we'll put here 2 days. Sorry, oops. We'll put here 2 days, and producers is nothing, so we will empty this. So you can see over here this 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. You are starting with Wednesday and Thursday, so it created a Gantt chart, producers basically, and you can see the one ID over here. After that there is the second activity. Site. It takes 4 days, and procedure, remember what I take for A, that's the 1. So we'll change 4 and 1. Very sorry guys. And here 1. Okay, let's created 1 for like this much. That's the level. That's the 4 days. This is the 4 days, and this is the 1 level. So once the second activity under this level. Okay, what is third? The install power lines. How many days it take? It takes 3 days. So I'll put over here 3 days. Close it. And what is the B? B means 2. So that's the level under 2. Okay, see, this is the second level, and this is the time. What is third? Third is installed drainage. How many days take it? It's 5 days. 5. And is B again, so it's second level, so it means it's going for second one too. Under second, okay, so it's blue and this, so this means install power line is not dependent on the work, dependent on the project deadline. Pour foundation, how many days it take? It takes 3, so we'll put over here 3. And close it. You can put 3 also. It's my Mac a little bit. So how you put C and D, we will put 3 comma 4. It automatically takes semicolon in between. So this is the Gantt chart, this is the things which you have to take it. So now our project 1 is completed. In my project we have to just remember, you have to save this and save. I don't want this, so okay, now I have to put my resources, and just a minute, where is the network? So we have to show the network. So when the task starts, you go to the network and we have to take a picture of this screenshot, and you can take it. So that was the thing which I want to show. So this is the project Libra Gantt chart which you can show to your professor or your university. So thank you so much guys.